Hello, what is good? So today in this video I am going to be talking about the Fabuloso scent lavender. Okay, so how I heard about it, first of all, my mom, she was the one who pretty much recommended me this because I've seen my mom use this plenty of times when she's cleaning. Definitely boil it after when she's done. She'll just kind of like pour some in there just so that fragrance can keep the smell going in the bathroom. And man, oh man, oh man, it smells so good. It definitely smells like straight up lavender. Seriously. I use it when I'm really just cleaning, when I really want to leave like a nice fragrance on, counters or in my bathroom, in the toilet, just anywhere that I know that it's gonna leave like a nice fragrance to it. The smell, I love the smell. It smells like straight up lavender. Like, it just smells so fresh. Smell lasts a while too. Like, if you was to clean toilet or counter with this, it lasts for a while. Like, it lasts pretty much all day. Like, you'll know that you clean whatever you done cleaned. And I've been using Fabuloso for a very long time, over 3 years. Normally I get the lavender kind, but I know there's other fragrances that I actually like. I just really addicted to the lavender one. And also my grandma is too. She's addicted to Fabuloso as well. So I guess the whole family pretty much is. So let me go ahead and talk a little bit about it. I know that, I think when I was doing some research, it said it was made in Mexico, or rather the correct pronunciation, Mexico. So, and this is actually manufactured by Colgate. And some things that you can do is you can like mop floors, you can clean this off with walls, countertops, all that good stuff you can do. So it's not just necessarily you have to like clean like counters and toilets and stuff like that. Like, you can mop these with floors, and it definitely gives you directions on how to do that. I'm not sure if it gives you directions on the back. Does it? I don't think it does. Wait, I think it does. Okay. Let me get this a little bit clear. Okay, so yeah. Oh, yep. Okay, so you mix 1/4 cup in a gallon of water. Okay. And you see the company is Colgate Palm Oil Company. So it just gives you a different description of like the different appliances and places that you want to clean. I couldn't really find too much about just the company itself, just Fabuloso, but since it's under Colgate, so that's pretty much all I can get from that. Other than this, I mean, I use Clorox to clean toilets and stuff. If not this, I use apple cider vinegar sometimes, but I just like using this when I really want to smell like lavender or something. So I absolutely love it. No complaints by it at all. None. It does. It's a little complicated. If you're trying, well, how can I say this? Do they have Fabuloso spray? I think they have Fabuloso sprays. I believe they do. Yeah, they do. But we just got the bottle. What I do is I just kind of like pour a little bit like on the sink or whatever, and then I'll go back with the sponge and with a little bit of water, and I'll kind of just scrub off my sink. If it's something like this, because I mean it doesn't have the spray, so you don't want to spill too much, and not a lot either. And my sink is a pretty good size, so I mean, but yeah, I don't really do too much of a pouring. But it's really easy to use. I mean, you push this down and then you open it. And let me see if I can do this while oh, see, there we go. And then you see it's obvious. It's purple with the lavender. And you smell it as soon as you take the top off. Like, I'm back here and I smell it. And this is a pretty big gap. So yeah, I smell it from all the way back here, which smells amazing. So yeah, I mean, if you do want some good smelling stuff going on in your bathroom or toilet, or you can actually use it for tubs too. I think a long time ago, my mom actually kind of put this in spray it around and she cleansed it and it smells just like it. I think the only thing she was like, it didn't stain. I'm trying to remember if she said it's no, I don't know, because it didn't stain on the counters. It's white. So. I know they have some new Fabulosas out. I haven't tried them or, experienced with them a lot too much. And like I was saying before, I know Fabuloso has different fragrances, but I'm just really stuck with lavender, and lavender is really good for like relaxing and stuff like that. So does it relax while I'm cleaning? I'm not really, because it's mixed with other things, so I don't really know, but I like it. And now let me turn it around and not try to spill it to see if I can see the ingredients. I don't think does it have it in the back? I think you probably gotta go online for them too, for the ingredients probably. Yeah, gonna have to go online probably most likely for these ingredients, because I really don't see it on here. Oh, that's just great. Alrighty, so again, this is the Fabuloso with the scent lavender.